In today's fast-paced business world, a clean and well-maintained facility is essential for success. At GCJ Facility Services, we specialize in providing top-notch facility management solutions tailored to your needs. Who we are. With over 15 years of industry experience, our fully trained and certified staff is dedicated to delivering excellence in every service we offer. Carpet care, pre-cleaning inspections, treatments, and stain removal to keep your carpets looking their best. Hard floor care, ensuring the health, image, and safety of your facility with proper floor maintenance. Valet services, adding a touch of luxury with seamless parking solutions. Staffing solutions, assisting in the logistical management of corporate and public events. Maintaining safety, order, and security services within your environment. Post-construction cleanup and daytime porter service. We proudly serve a diverse range of industries, including retail, healthcare, government, financial institutions, hospitality, dealerships, education, fitness centers, manufacturing, aviation, IT and data centers, and museums and convention centers. Our mission is to provide integrated facility management services, minimizing the use of multiple vendors by offering efficient full-service solutions. We pledge honesty, dependability, and a job well done in everything we do. Experience the GCJ Facility Services difference. Contact us today to learn how we can help maintain and enhance your facility.